Hey everyone, today we have a special guest, my daughter's mermaid. My daughter wanted her to come to school at MarineMax. Mermaid, Marine World, that's what we do here. Today we are on a Grady White 218 adventure. This is one of our trades and it is part of our certified pre-owned option. And this is an incredible boat, over 23-foot length overall. This is a fisherman's dream. So it's got a power pole on the back, it's an 8-footer. It's got a trolling motor on the front with a 36-volt battery and battery charger built in. There's a house battery charger for your house and engine batteries. A 12-inch Garmin display, which is NEMA networked to the Yamaha display. This boat has next to 0 hours on it. It's 27 hours, I believe, maybe 30 hours on it. It's incredible. It does come with the full isinglass all the way around and the drop curtain. Up front, you have a nice cabin area. I'm gonna put Miss Mermaid down so I can show you guys that real quick. So, Hannah, you wanna poke in there, check her out. And this will come with all your safety gear, including 4 life jackets, a throw cushion, full tank of fuel, all that good stuff. And again, y'all, certified pre-owned. New program rolling out from MarineMax. Gives you more peace of mind while you're out on the water enjoying your beautiful new boat. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. We'll see you soon.